What is up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. I am officially holding my ring light because I have one behind me and this is my brand new one and it is super dark outside. It's already like completely pitch black outside. So I have to actually hold this one right now so that I can get good lighting. I apologize if the lighting's a little bit not as good throughout the video. I need to get a stand like the one I have behind me for my next video, so I will have that. But I'm going to do a little walkthrough tutorial on this look that you see right here. Just a very simple, very easy date night look with a lot of highlight and a little bit of a smoky eye, just a very little bit. You can kind of see, very simple, very easy, very simple face, a little bit of blush, a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlighter. And yeah, that is this look. Please excuse the hair. We have not started on the hair yet, so if you guys want to know how to get to this simple little date night look, just keep on watching.
Hey everyone, alright, I am priming my face with the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I love this primer. It's good under every foundation I have used, so I love this one. Thumbs up. Next, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild foundation. It's called the Photo Focus Foundation. I really love this foundation. Super cheap, very affordable, and very good coverage. I am in the shade Bronze Beige, so I'm just blending that in with a beauty blender. Make sure to blend, blend, blend. Alright, so our eyes are already primed with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And our brows are already done as well with the Precisely My Brow Pencil. You guys know I love that one. Next, I'm going in with the Real Her Do Your Squats Shadow Palette. I love that name. I'm going in with the shade Driven right there on the crease. As you can see, just a very light bone color to just set that crease. Next, I'm going in with this purpley brown shade called Awesome. It is so beautiful, and I'm focusing that right there in the crease as well. Putting it right there on the crease, right above that Driven shade. Next, I'm going in with the Invincible shade. This is a little bit darker of a brown, very pretty undertone. I love this one a lot. It looks so pretty in that crease. It really gives us some depth. And I just like to build my shadows, you guys, so that it's not all blah. Going in with that Driven shade again and putting it right up on that brow bone to kind of highlight that brow bone with just a very natural skin color. Next, as you can see, I'm excited. I'm going in with this Limitless shade on my finger because it is so beautiful. I was super impressed with these shadows, you guys. I absolutely loved them. I got this in a FabFitFun box and I was so impressed with these shadows. Here's a little look. Alright, so we are going in to conceal those under eye circles with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the same one we used to prime our eyes. And then we are blending that in with the Morphe brush. Very gently because it's our under eye, so make sure you're going in with a really light hand to buff out that concealer. Next, we're going to put some concealer on the chin, the forehead, down the bridge of the nose. Oh, definitely put it on that zit right there. You know how to do it. Don't I look so pretty? Alright, next we're going to blend that in with a beauty blender. Make sure you blend it in really well. This is what we're looking like. We are going to set down that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I am using a Real Techniques setting brush. I love this setting brush to put down that powder. I also put that powder in my smile lines, as you can see. Alright, I am picking up the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, but as you can see, I said no, no, no. We use it all over the entire face. I just picked up a powder brush. Any powder brush will do. And I used that powder to set my entire face. Moving on, this is where things can get messy. I picked up the Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and this was the first time I had used this bronzer, and it got a little bit muddy on me, so do be careful. It has a lot of sheen in it. I picked up a pretty dense Tarte brush, and as you can see, I'm like, oh, it got dark and muddy fast. So I'm just blending that in a little bit on my forehead, on my cheeks. You can tell on that one side, like, whoa, girl, you went in strong. So I'm taking the Mr. Right brush to really blend all of that bronzer out because I did go in with a heavy hand. But now we're looking a little bit better and more blended. All right, we are going into this Tarte Seasonal Blush Kit. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm using that middle shade, which is more of a pinky nudie shade, right on those upper cheekbones, right above that bronzer. All right, I'm going in and curling the lashes. You know how to do it. After I curled the lashes, I did take my Sephora liquid liner, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. I've actually been loving dark brown liner on my lid. It's just not as harsh on my light eyes as the black. Still love me some black, but I wanted to go in with the brown today to make it a little bit more natural. Black liner gets very dramatic on me very quick, so the brown's just a little bit better for my eye shade. Picking up that eyeshadow palette again. Of course, breaking it down for a second. There you go. A little bit of dance move. I'm picking up that eyeshadow palette again. Picking up that brown shade in the shade Awesome, just to give us a little bit of definition under there. I'm also using the shade Invincible. Invincible and Awesome is what I put on my lower lash line right there to really give a little bit of depth underneath that eye. Oh, what'd I drop? Nope, okay, we're good. I picked up a little bit of that Invincible shade again to just really put it in the corners to really open up those eyes. And this is what we're looking like. Oh, hey girl. Hey girl, yep, there's the liner. Okay, we're picking up a new mascara. Watch me pronounce this wrong. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and this was the first time I was trying this product, and I loved it. That was one coat, and I was like, whoa, bam, lashes. I used a lot of brand new products I hadn't tried in this video, so it was very nice. Using that same mascara on those bottom lashes. I was too lazy to pick up another one. Oh, and I had an intruder. Hey, husband. Thanks for the smooch. All right, and here is what we are looking like so far. Got those cheeks blended a little better. The light's picking up that bronzer really strong. Okay, here is the star of the show, you guys. This is the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the shade 13. It is so beautiful. Look at that. I had heard rave reviews about this product, so I was very excited to try it. As you can tell, I picked up a pencil brush and really wanted to put this color right on that brow bone. I was so excited to highlight the brow bone with this color, and it is absolutely stunning. Going in and doing the same thing right on that brow bone with that same highlighting shade, and also placing it in those inner corners for a real big pop of highlight. But we're not done. Nope, we are picking up our Real Techniques setting brush, using some of that highlight shade and highlighting our face with it. This powder is so multi-purpose. I love it. It is beautiful. Looked great on the lids, great on the cheeks. I was so excited about this powder. It is a keeper. Probably my new highlight. I'm obsessed. I really make that backward C shape right there to put my highlighter down. Yes, girl, she loves it. Dance party again because you love the highlighter. Yeah, look at those cheeks. Yes. All right, we are going in with a new MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety. This was the first time I had tried this lipstick shade, and I was absolutely in love with it. Beautiful, probably a new staple in my collection. That was an attempt at a heart. Next, we're going in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray and setting our face, dancing while it dries. There's the face, up close and personal, but look at that highlight though. A little bit more. Here's the face. Here's the highlight. Look at the brow bone highlight. Hello.
So yeah, that is it, you guys. This is my date night makeup look. A lot of glow, a lot of bronze. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will hang out with you in my next video, and I cannot wait. Bye.